Alright, so today we'll be doing the glow water experiment. And in this experiment, we'll be measuring the intensity of the light compared to how much concentration of fluorescein is in the water.
Our materials include isopropyl alcohol, as we have here. We have a beaker full of distilled water, a graduated cylinder to measure out how much water or isopropyl alcohol we need, a syringe to extract the isopropyl alcohol, a highlighter to extract the fluorescein from, and multiple beakers to make the solutions. Also, we have a black light to see the fluorescein glow in the experiment. We also have some pliers to remove the binding from the highlighter in order to extract the fluorescein.
Okay, so the first step of this experiment is to get the ink out of the highlighter itself. In order to do this, we use a pair of pliers and remove the top from the highlighter, like that. After that, you can get out the fluorescein binding. We use this to extract the fluorescein. So in order to do that, we use a syringe and get 10 milliliters of isopropyl alcohol. Alright. And we put the tip of the syringe on the top of the binding and squirt the solution out. Like so. Remember to squirt the rest of the alcohol out of the binding to get all of it out. So you do this for all three beakers.
Now before we have three solutions of fluorescein, right, which can come from just a single highlighter, we'll add distilled water to change the concentration of fluorescein, and as such. Now here we will have the minimum amount of solution we have. This we have a medium amount, and this we have the maximum amount of water we have. So thus the concentration will be highest here, but the minimum amount here, and finally the least concentration right here. So we'll add 20 mils of highlighter, 20 milliliters of water into this solution.
Wait, where did you find that?
And we'll add 40 milliliters of water into the solution on the right.
Is that yours? Which one is? Yeah.
Now in the actual experiment, we'll add 10 milliliters of water from the first solution to the second, to the third solution, to the fourth, and finally to the least concentrated.
Okay, so what we do now is, since we have the three solutions, we need to put it in front of a black background, preferably. However, since we have limited materials right now, we are just using this tray. We are doing this in order to ensure that the backgrounds are the same, so the light intensity emitted is the same.
The black light will hold the black light approximately 15 centimeters above the surface of the table.
Okay, and then using a camera app on our cell phones, we can measure the light intensity emitted from each solution. So you can see that the first solution with the highest concentration has 276 lux. The second with the middle concentration has 230 lux.
Even though it may seem that we're measuring light based on the surface area that's shown here, what we have to consider is that there is more. This is 100% isopropyl alcohol and fluorescein solution, and as you increase the amount of water you have, the percent concentration decreases, even though there may seem to be more solution.